Mayor, ito muna. Ngayon po na kayo po'y nagbabalik na dyan sa Maynila. First order of business nyo po sa dami ng mga problema na kakaharapin nyo. Ano pong uunahin nyo?
Two things, no? And again, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the people of Manila for giving me a chance to take the lead again in the next 3 years. But first things first, una talaga ang isang malaking problema ng Maynila ngayon ay yung kadugyutan and the peace and order situation of our city. I think that will be the first things that we're going to address and confront, na maging maaliwalas muli ang Maynila, yung pinoproblema nila sa basura at kadugyutan, na talagang sa bawat town hall meeting namin during the campaign and before the campaign, yun talaga ang isang greatest concern ng city. And of course, the peace and order situation, medyo yung petty crimes are naging talamak, no? Yung snatching, holduping, laslas. In fact, yesterday, Manong Ted at DJ, I have a friend, yung pamangkin niya, na islasan ng bag sa Divisoria, no? The other day. And ironically, walang police na sa area. It was only blattered in the barangay. So these are the major concern nowadays in the city of Manila, and that we will focus on in the first few weeks of our assumption of office.